Hey, welcome back, gang. Welcome to Canadian Quarters Review. I'm Mark. Today we're at Valley Motorsports in Kelowna, BC, Canada, and we're checking out this 2021 Arctic Cat Prowler 500. Stay tuned. Alrighty, so this guy is a liquid-cooled single-cylinder, single overhead cam gasoline engine, and it's pumping out 443 cc displacement. It is mated up to a CVT transmission. It's fully automatic, so if you can drive a car, you can drive one of these babies. Your drive system is a Selectable 2 and 4-wheel drive. It has a front and rear hydraulic engine braking system. Your fuel system is fuel injected or electronic fuel injected. Your gear selection is high, low, neutral, reverse, and park. And you have a front locking diff on this one as well. This unit will just have your standard steering. Your front suspension is going to be a double A-arm with 19 centimeters or 7.5 inch of wheel travel. Your rear suspension is going to be exactly the same thing, dual A-arm with 19 centimeters or 7.5 inches of wheel travel. You got 4-wheel hydraulic disc brakes. And your parking brake is the park in the transmission. Your front tires, these are just some entry-level Kendas, but they are 25 by 8 by 12s in the front, 25 by 10 by 12s in the rear, and just some steel rims on this guy. So once again, I would highly recommend upgrading to a 6-ply radial. Just better longevity, much better traction, and much nicer ride. So let's see the dimensions on this guy, shall we? So for your length, it's 270 centimeters or 106 inches. Your width is 143 centimeters or 56 inches. Your overall height is 194 centimeters or 76 inches. Your wheelbase is 183 centimeters or 72 inches. Your ground clearance is 25 centimeters or 10 inches. And your bed dimensions are going to be 74 wide by 116 long and 30 centimeters high, or 25 inches by 46 inches by 12 inches. And it does come with a standard 2-inch receiver as well. It'll come in this what they call a marsh green or also the earth blue as well. So right off the hop, I would recommend basically 4 things. Upgrade your tires, upgrade your headlights to something LED, slap yourself a winch on this guy too, and put a roof. It's nice to be out of the elements. It's obviously you're still going to get wet, you're still going to get dirty, but it's just nice to have some covering for your head. This is basically the entry level model. It's not going to be all that fancy, but it will definitely get the job done. You'll have nets for doors instead of doors. So doors might be something else that you'd like to look into. It's got a decent enough glove box. Hey, who's that guy? Basically the same display as the quads. I don't know if you can see that or not. And fully automatic once again. Got your drink holder down there. You got another one down here. I don't think the seat folds, does it? No. Decent amount of legroom. If you really had to, I guess you can fit a third person in there, but you'd be pretty tight. It's a decent sized bed. You got the latch right here. And that's all she wrote. Guess that's all you need, really. You got a two-part tailgate here. Let me put this back down again. So you have this thing on the outside. Probably put a tow strap or maybe some tools or something in there. And then you've got the actual tailgate itself. Kind of a neat idea. There's your 2-inch receiver. Oh no, not a bad little machine. You want to do a little bit of hunting or some work on the farm or something, I think this would do you just fine. Well guys, this will about wrap up another episode of Canadian Quadders Review. We're checking out a 2021 Arctic Cat Prowler 500. Come and check these guys out at Valley Motorsports in Kelowna, BC, Canada. Come and talk to Jeremy and his crew. They're fantastic people here. They'll take great care of you. Thank you to all of you who have been subscribing. This channel is growing so fast. It's actually quite exciting right now to see it almost at 1,000. So please continue to subscribe. If you haven't done so yet, please do that right now. I don't make any money on YouTube or from these dealerships either, so it's kind of neat if I can get some monetization happening here. And thank you to those who have been using the Amazon links. It's been helping out huge. So I will try to continue to refresh those when I can. But any and all support has been incredibly grateful. So thank you. This will about wrap it up, and we'll see you guys on the next video.